Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video group test, me and my member group is gonna tell you about review machine learning technique for column information management. Before I explain, I'm gonna introduce my member of group. First is Rian Azmi Munte. Second is Muhammad Raihan. Third is Tiananmen Setio Nugroho. Fourth is Muhammad Elsa Ferdian, and five is Gilang Prayogi. Introductions. Big data is term referring to subchannels and rapidly growing volume in a data various format general from diverse sources. Big data analysts play crucial role in extracting valuable insights from the overwhelming amount of information. The second is definitions of big data. It encompasses the vast high-value data sets are challenging to manage using traditional data processing language. And third is importance of big data analytics. It enables the extractions of meaningful patterns, correlations, and insight, editing decision-making across industry. And the second is the role of machine learning in the big data analytics. First is machine learning is an integral part of big data analysis, leveraging algorithms to process and interpret data without explicit programming. The second is the purpose of machine learning in the big data. Machine learning technique in the surprise unsupervised, recommended, and deep learning help the patterns, relationships, and predictions with massive data sets. And the third is type of machine learning techniques is a superior learning, learning from a label data to make predictions or indications, and the uns- unsupervised learning, finding hidden patterns or intriguing structure within labeled data. Reinforcement learning, learning from interaction with an environment and the maximum reward. And the last is deep learning, using natural networks to process complex data representations. And next presentation will be explained by Muhammad Elsa Ferdian.
Yeah. Machine learning techniques for big data. Various techniques are employed to analyze and derive insight from big data across diverse domains. Five of techniques highlighting the application of reinforcement learning, sparse learning, deep learning, and supervised learning in different contexts. Application areas demonstrating how these techniques are applied in business analysis, healthcare, security, measure, and social networks to extract meaningful information and enhance decision making. Thank you. And then presentation, Gilang.
Tools utilized in machine learning for big data. First, several toolkits and platforms are utilities to implement machine learning algorithms for managing and analyzing big data. Second, prominent toolkits and platforms showcasing the tools commonly used to used for developing machine learning algorithms in big data analytics. Third, toolkit selection criteria, discussing factors like scalability, speed, and extensibility influencing the choice of the right toolkit for handling large-scale data. Next, presentation Emrian.
Thank you, Gilang. Challenges in machine learning for big data. Despite its benefit, ML in big data analytics face several challenges that hinder seamless analytics and interaction. Second, interaction challenges. Addressing the integrations of vast, large-scale data analytics into existing systems. Third, security and privacy concern. Discussing issue surrounding data, security, and privacy representation. Four, data source and uncertainty, exposing issues related to insufficient data and uncertainty within the data. The last one,
Low.
real-time processing and context awareness, highlighting challenges in processing data in real time and understanding contextual nuance. Ian, next.
Okay, conclusion and future prospect. Summarizing the significance of machine learning in big data analytics and outlining potential future directions to overcome existing challenges. Summary of machine learning in big data analytics is recapitulating the information of machine learning in extracting insight from voluminous data, addressing challenge and future direction, exploring potential strategies and advancements to address current challenges, and enhance the effectiveness of machine learning in handling big data. Next.
And these our research questions, and one of us will ask questions and one of us will answer. And the questions ones,
I have a question. This is my question is how does big data analytics differ from traditional data processing methods?
and I will answer it. The my answer is big data analytics deal with the fast, diverse, and rapidly growing data sets. The traditional method struggles to process effectively. It focuses on interactions, valuable things. Patterns and correlation from these formations and the data advanced algorithms, where the traditional methods may not scale or handle such massive amounts of information effectively. And the next question I will ask Elsa. And what are the primary types of machine learning that use in a big data analysis and how do they affect?
Thank you, Rehan. Answer number two. There are several types of machine learning techniques and tools in big data analysis. Supervised learning. It involves learning from labeled data to make prediction or prediction. User-based learning is technique discovers hidden patterns or structures within unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning. Learning through interaction with an environment to maximize rewards. Deep learning. Using neural networks to process complex data. Representation allowing for me abstract pattern recognition. Next, Elsa and Gilang. Question number three. Number three. Next. Next.
Next.
Question number three. What are the key challenges faced when implementing machine learning in big data analysis? Gilang,
Challenge includes first integration of
kayaknya
fast
muntah nggak lah
analytics
tadi.
in compressing rapid and large-scale data
Iya.
analysis into existing systems. Second, security and privacy concerns. Ensuring data security and preserving privacy amid vast datasets. Third, data shortage and uncertainty. Dealing with insufficient data or uncertainties with the data. Four, real-time processing. Processing data in real time to derive timely insights. Less context awareness, understanding and accounting for contextual nuances within the data. Next, I have question for Munte. Can you highlight some application of machine learning in managing voluminous information in various industries?
Okay, I will answer you.
Kecuali gak bisa jadi apa sih?
Strategy. Machine learning is extensively used in business analytics, predictive modeling, customer segmentation, and market trend analysis. Healthcare, disease prediction, patient monitoring, and drug discovery.
Nggak tahu.
Security measure, fraud detection, anomaly detection, and cybersecurity. Social network, personalized content recommendation, and sentiment analysis. I want ask a question to Ian. Ian, what criteria are essential when selecting toolkits for implementing machine learning algorithms in big data analytics?
The criteria adalah scalability. is ability to handle large-scale data processing efficiently, and then speed, capability to process data swiftly to derive insight in a timely manner, and then extensibility is a flexibility in integrating with other systems and accommodating different data formats.
And next, we're gonna show our mind maps, and this our mind map, and this our group explanations about review machine learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
kan, gue kira